Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You can see I am a little nervous for this video, but you can read the title as well that I am going to shave my face for the first time only for you guys in this video. So I just want to tell you and share with you a few things before we get started. I am nervous as hell. Now in this video I'm going to share with you how to shave your face, which I have also learned through YouTube through the famous bloggers like Malvika Sitlani, then Roshni Bhatia and a few more. Let's not get into the names. And so I'm going to show you how to shave your face. Then I will also show you the care that you need to do after shaving your face, and then I will also tell you how the application of foundation is after I shave my face. And finally I want to share with you the growth of my hair after I shave my face after a particular period of time, for example let's say 1 week and after a month. So before any further ado, let's get started. And I am really nervous guys. Wish me luck. Just to give you a heads up that I'm not going to do my entire face because that is not my concern. I can do my upper lip and eyebrows with thread, so I'm not going to raise my eyebrows, I mean the top part of my eyebrows. The only concern was this area, and that's not I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna do is, as I've seen in other videos, I'm gonna shave this side of my face dry, and I've washed my face and applied only a moisturizer, and on the other side, which is on the left side, I am going to apply some oil just to see the difference, how it is supposed to be done and which one is better to shave your face with dry face or with oily face. So as I have seen that you have to pull your skin and keep the razor at an angle. And now let me tell you a little bit about the razor before we get into the shaving. Now this razor is from Nykaa, that I purchased it from Nykaa. I will leave the details of this Nykaa or Amazon, I don't remember. Now this is the one that I purchased, and this is for a woman. Of course you don't want to use the other regular razors that men use because they are meant and supposed to be for thicker and coarser hair, which women don't really have. So this razor is meant to be used only for 4 to 5 times. That was written on the packet, but let's find out how many times we can use it. I think just till when the razor and the blade gets a little blunt, then I think we should just throw it away and not use it for too many times. So what I'm going to do is I am going to just lift my skin, and this is the only part I'm going to raise because this is my major concern. So let's get started. So I would recommend having a mirror really close to you, and I am just going to keep my razor at an angle, and I'm going to start from the bottom. Okay guys, so I am pretty nervous about this still, but you have to use extremely light pressure. Guys, can you see how much hair I had? I hope you can see, and I hope you can just imagine how much trouble I was having. Okay, so this is it guys. So on this side I'm only going to do this much, and it definitely feels so soft, I can't even tell you. I'm just hoping that I don't get carried away doing my entire face because there is a little bit hair over here which I think everyone has. So I just hope I don't get carried away. So I am going to do a little bit over here. Let Let me tell you something. I can see a huge difference between just a little bit area that I raised over here and this area as well. This has just brightened up instantly, and you can probably see the difference, and this area has just instantly brightened up. So I also just discovered that I like to keep a clean brush handy and just, fluff off and brush off the little bit hair that may be remaining on the face. Okay guys, honestly it's baby like skin, and let me not just talk too much and shift to the other side where I will be applying the oil. The oil that I'm using is from Indulgeo, and this is the Splendid Night Oil. You can use probably coconut oil or whatever oil you're using for your face, and the reason why I'm applying oil is just to see if it's smoother to remove the hair. Just going to apply a little bit oil, just maybe 3 drops, and I'm just going to gently massage it in downward motion because we are going to use the razor in downward motions. Okay, so my hand is slippering, which is not a very good thing. The good thing is that you can see how much hair I had. Okay, the reason you guys can't see me sometimes is because I'm going too close to the mirror, which I highly recommend. So I've done both the sides now guys, but I want to tell you before we jump onto the conclusions that do not run your razor back and forth at the same place. There are chances of getting a rash, and please make sure that you do not cut yourself. Now I am going to apply some oil on this side because this side was dry, and I'm going to apply some oil over here so that whatever tingling effect, which I am not getting, touch wood, is just going to settle down. Okay guys, so first things first, I prefer to raise my face on the drier side rather than the oily side, because when I am stretching my skin, it is just not going to slip, and the chances of getting cut are minimal. So I would prefer to apply oil after I am done raising my face because it just soothes and calms your skin. So this is the amount of hair that I got from the sideburns. It's not much, I know, but it really would probably make a lot of difference when I apply foundation. So let us just find out about application of foundation. So guys, when I was applying the foundation, I really did not feel any difference on the application. However, when I look at myself in the mirror, I just get that flawless look over here. And to see wherever you want to remove the hair on your face, you have to apply a foundation. Like I have realized that there is a little bit hair over here that I need to get rid of, and my highlighter will stand out even more, and you guys know I love wearing highlighters. So I am going to remove a little bit hair just on the bone of my cheeks as well. You can see how smooth and flawless this area is looking, guys. I love the fact that I have shaved off the hair on this area because now it looks flawless. And now I'm going to give you my reviews on how the hair grows back, as in if it grows back thicker or faster. So I'm back after 23 days, and I want to just give you an update of my facial hair growth. So I already had fine hair, and I have grown most of my hair back, and they seem to be finer, and they are not very visible. However, I will shave them again before I do my makeup for New Year's. So I definitely give a thumbs up to shaving facial hair with a razor, but I just want to tell you that you must do a patch test before you go further, shaving the rest of your face, because that is very important. And if you have any allergic reaction or if you see any redness, please stop instantly. So this is it from my side for this video, guys. If you have any questions regarding this video and the process and other things, please do let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please show me a thumbs up in the bottom bar, and I hope it was extremely helpful and you got the answers to what you were looking for. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and thank you so much for watching.